hi and good morning. Jai Ho children. This is your Ruth Miss from SK Public CBSE School, Phuket. Children, now this is the 5th day of Navratri. Happy Navratri to each and everyone. And what is the color of today? Yes, it's white. W-H-I-T-E, white. Okay. So you all are celebrating and also hope you all are enjoying your festival. Because last year you could not enjoy, right? Okay. Now here children, today we will learn in the first session, that is subject English. In that I am going to tell you about the people who help us. So before beginning the class, you have to begin your class with Gayatri Mantra and also the God's Prayer. Okay children? Hope you all pray every day. See that you pray every day. Okay children? Okay, now people who help us. Who help us in everyday life? Can anybody tell? Yes, who helps us? Yes, that is milkman, cobbler, carpenter, okay? And also the postman. But nowadays, postman is less. Only postman is coming to give you some notice. Otherwise, no letters, no phone bills and all. Before, postman would bring letters, he would bring the telephone bills and parcels and many more things. So, there are many people who help us. Now, milkman. What does milkman do? Milkman brings us milk. Yes, milkman brings us milk. Now next, I told you the postman brings us the letter. Can you see here in this picture? There are all the people who help us. Now, and baker. What does the baker do? Yes, you all go to bakery. You get yummy cakes, biscuits and also many sweets. Right? Who bakes these all? These all are baked by baker. So, baker also helps you. Right? Okay, now next is cobbler. Who is cobbler? Cobbler is, now see when you are walking on the road, suddenly your chappal or your sandals cut off. Whom do you see? You tell, Elladru chappal holiyu nidana? The one who stitches our slippers or sandal or shoes is known as cobbler. Cobbler mends our shoes, who makes new shoes also. Okay, so cobbler. And the next one is carpenter. Yes, who is carpenter? Carpenter. Who is that? You all sit nicely on sofas. You all use table, chair, right? These all are made by carpenter, who does furniture work. So carpenter also is helping you. You are giving money and bringing, but carpenter is preparing dressing table that is of wood, right? Yes, carpenter makes the furniture. And the next is doctor. Doctor helped a lot this past 2 years for you all, right? Doctor treats the ill people. When you are sick, first you run to hospital. You will not go directly to nurse. First you will see which doctor is there. You go to doctor, doctor will ask you what's the problem. You tell I have got fever, I have got headache. So doctor will just check you and tell you, you have to take this tablet, you have to take this injection, take rest. So this has been told by doctor or postman? Yes, it's told by doctor. Then the next one is teacher. So teacher is helping you, right? Teacher is not helping you. Teacher also is helping you to read and write. Yes, children, and there are still many more. First you have to remember the farmer, which is not given in your book. Farmer. Who is the farmer? Yes, can anybody tell? You all eat sitting at home. Chapatis, rotis, rice, vegetables. Who is doing this all? Bringing. Your father is bringing, but from where? Market. In market, from where is it coming? From the shop. For shop, who is coming and supplying? Wholesale marketer. Who is bringing and giving to wholesale marketer? Farmer. Farmer is Raitaru. They are the backbone of our country. Okay, children? So, farmer. And also, driver. You are coming to school. You are going to Belgaum. You are going to that place, this place. How you are going? You are going by your own vehicle every time? No, you go by bus. You come to school by bus, school van, you go by auto. Who drives this? You alone drive or your parents? No, this has been driven by the driver. So, driver helps us to travel. Okay, then next. Can you all tell anyone, now you at home, sometimes some houses, mummy will not wash or clean the vessels. Who is doing this? This is being done by, yes, maid, sweeping, kelsa beku, alva. So that is maid. So they are also helping us. If they won't come, so many vessels to wash, so many clothes to wash, cleaning will not be done because mummy is going to work. So maid also is helping us. Next is sweeper. Now children, you all sweep only in the house. Your mummy is cleaning only the house. Who is cleaning the roads and all on the streets? That is sweeper. Can you see early morning after Monday market in Hukeri, you all observe? Tuesday, who will be sweeping? Yes, there will be some ladies with sweep. They will be sweeping the road and they keep that clean. All people eat, all chocolates, wrappers go here and there on the road, spit and go. All are making dirty. Anybody is keeping clean? No. But this is being kept clean by the sweeper. So children, still there are many. You try to recognize them and see that you respect their work. Oh, she is sweeping the road. So no respecting. You have to give respect for them because they are clean. Not only keeping their own house clean, they are keeping our surrounding clean. So we have to respect them. Nurse, when you go to hospital, if doctor is not there, who takes care? Nurse itself. If you go with a wound, nurse will clean, doctor will not clean. Nurse will clean that and just put the bandage and tell you two sweet words and send you be well soon. So there are people who help us around us and we as a citizen of India have to respect them and thank them for what the work they are doing. All works are equal. Work is work. Let it be in office or in the bank or a manager. All are one. Okay children, work is work. So we have to respect them. Now after this you all have to practice and see that you in your daily life, whenever you see anyone, try to respect them whatever work they are doing. So children, now can you see here on the board? Today's date is 11 October, that is 10, 2021. 3-letter words. We have finished 3 days, 8 words, right? Today is 8 more words of AG and IT. You will write this in your 4-line notebook and practice that by reading. Okay children? So first is AG word. AG. Now for AG, you all are going to come to school now, right? What you should bring to school? You all have to bring a bag. Bag. B-A-G, bag. Next, one more AG. I will add here which letter? R. R-A-G. Rug. R-A-G. R-A-G. Rug. Next is again one more AG word. T. T-A-G. Tag. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. What is tag? You bring new dress. There will be a tag. Okay, what is the rate? What is the name? Yes, T-A-G, tag. Next, again one more AG. I'll add S. Sag. What is sag? You all bring rice bag at home? Yes, those bags are known as sag. Sag race, you all know? Where the sag and jump? Yes, S-A-G, sag. Now next is IT. I and T is it. I will add P. T. Pit. Pit. Pit is on the roads and all you see. Pit, small khadda antirala. P-I-T. Pit. Next is again one more I-T. I'll add sir. Sit. I sounds E. Remember. S-I-T. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Next is one more I-T. F. F-I-T. F-E-T. Fit. Fit. Fit is if your shoes doesn't fit your leg, can you walk, children? No. If it's properly fitting for you, you'll wear. Otherwise, you'll change the shoes. So F-I-T. Fit. Now next I'll add again I-T. Which letter shall I add? Yes, I'll add K-I-T. Kit. Dr. Kit. Whenever there will be a fair or the jatra which you tell, what small children bring from jatra? They see girls will bring kitchen set as kit. Doctor kit. The doctor use stethoscope to check your heartbeat. Yes. And also there will be an injection. There will be few tablets, Dettol, and many more things in this. Okay, K-I-T, kit. Okay, children. Now we'll just do once again reading. B-A-G, bag. R-A-G, rug. T-A-G, tag. S-A-G, sag. P-I-T, pit. S-I-T, sit. F-I-T, fit. K-I-T, kit. So children, your work is to read and write 2 times. Okay, after writing 1 time, just draw a straight line and write another time. Okay, so 2 times you write and practice the previous words too. Okay, now I'll be back with the next class. Till then, complete your work. Bye-bye children. Take care.